took a tram from Constitution Square to Stair Miasto. Stair Miasto will take you to the Warsaw Old Town. We spent some time on Castle Square enjoying the great vibe and taking some pictures at Sigismund's column.
Thank you.
Warsaw's central Old Town neighborhood is one of the city's most popular areas and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Our first stop was St. Anne's Church, adjacent to the Castle Square. It is one of the Poland's most notable churches with neoclassical facade. The church ranks among Warsaw's oldest buildings. Stop was Royal Castle. This is a must-see place. It takes around 2 hours to view this castle, so plan your day accordingly. The Royal Castle holds a significant collection of Polish and European art. The castle was destroyed in World War II, and the almost miraculous rebirth of the castle makes it a powerful symbol of the city's resilience and Poland's independence. After Royal Castle, our next stop was an ice cream place.
Także jak kiedyś może będziecie słyszeli w telewizji, że była msza w katedrze świętego Jana w Warszawie.
Then we visited St. John's Ark Cathedral, which was right in front of the ice cream place.
Isn't that a lovely thing?
The Ark Cathedral of St. John is one of the oldest in the Polish capital. Considered one of the most distinguished churches in Warsaw, this structure was originally built in the 13th century. This Gothic cathedral, which has a triangle-shaped facade, is located in the historic center of Old City. It was destroyed and subsequently rebuilt after the Second World War. And take a look at this now. Wow, it was beautiful. Then we walked to the beautiful and vibrant Warsaw's Old Town marketplace. It is the center and oldest part of Old Town of Warsaw, Poland. We spent some quality time here and kids had fun too. There are some places where you can sit and relax. There are gift shops and I got some souvenirs from here. There are some nice food places here as well. There are so many good opportunities to take pictures here. It's very vibrant and colorful. Our next stop was Warsaw Barbican. It is a semicircular fortified outpost located between Old Town and New Town. It is a major tourist attraction. Originally, the Barbican stood in front of the city gate and served as a defensive outpost and checkpoint for travelers. It has become a symbol of Warsaw's historical heritage and now is UNESCO heritage site. Finally, we decided to have our food and had nice Polish food in the Old Town. Old Town is a wonderful place to spend your day when you are in Warsaw, Poland.
So guys, if you like my video and if you like my experience, please consider liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel.